Hi guys, back again, another kit bag. We've got a slew of kit bags this season, though the season hasn't started yet. We got the past game changer, and that was again a great kit bag. We just showed you the DSC split series kit bag, and this is now another kit bag from DSC. This is the Pro Players kit bag. Again, full size, huge kit bag. Can put in everything you wish to. It can swallow everything. I'll again take you through the kit bag straight away. Looks nice. Again, size, first impression just catches the overall size and volume that it can take in. I'll show you the bat compartment. This is the bat compartment. It can take 3 bats of yours. This is again a separate bat compartment. 3 of your bats in here, nicely tucked in. Then you have your separate helmet compartment. I'll show you that. So again, it is pretty deep. The helmet is very comfortably in. It's totally in. It's very comfortably in. So it's pretty deep here. This is your helmet compartment. Then you have a shoe compartment right at the bottom. I'll show you that as well. We'll come to the main compartment later. Again, huge shoe compartment. Easily a pair of shoes. I'll take you through the sides as well. Then there's a climate control zone again here as well. Now again, the climate control zone here is bigger compared to the split series. So put in your cold bottle and it'll keep it cool throughout the day. This is your cool climate zone. You have these side pockets. These side pockets were designated for batting leg guards there in the split series. Here we don't find a logo, so we haven't kept it that way, but then still it is pretty deep and you can put in a piece of pad if you wish to here. So this is on both sides, equal pockets, totally deep. There's an accessory pocket this side as well, and then we'll come to the main compartment also. So main compartment, again I'll tell you, the split series was a top opening kit bag. This is a front opening kit bag. So this opens up this way. Again, loads and loads of space. You'll be surprised to see the amount of equipment we've kept in. I'll just show you. Now this is your batting gloves. We've kept almost, this is your 1 pair of batting gloves. This is your second pair of batting gloves. I think there would be more of these. This is your third pair of batting gloves. So we put in 3 pairs of batting gloves here. And then this is your inner gloves. This is your chest guard. You have your abdominal guard here. You've got your wicket keeping gloves. You've got your thigh guards here. You've got your wicket keeping leg guard, so it's sorted for your wicket keeper as well. And then you have your batting leg guards, and there's still a lot of space left. It's not tightly packed. It's very comfortably put in. And you have your elbow guard as well. So this is it guys, enough of equipment kept inside, and it was still easily kept in. There's still more space left inside. Coming to the material, the split series was different material, pretty tough. This is a new material, closely what we saw in the game changer, softer one. So this is a lighter kit bag, but really tough. No complaints with that. I'll show you the back also. There's a small accessory pocket we didn't show you, again to put your wallet and some change and stuff. So this is it, and I'll show you the rear part again. So again, cushioned Tetrons, similar to that split series kit bag. Cushioned straps. These straps can be again tucked inside and concealed. I'll show you that as well. There. So this comes out. And you can easily put it inside. So this gets concealed here. Again, full size tractor wheels here. I'll show you the wheels. Freestanding kit bag. So this is it, guys. This is the DSC Pro Players. You can have it. It's there with us. This retails at 6799. Tad expensive than Split Series, but really good kit bags from DSC. Cheers.